Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 animals with superpowers you won't believe. The natural world never ceases to amaze us. In every corner of the globe, from the depths of the oceans to the heart of the rainforest, life finds a way. And sometimes, that way is simply extraordinary. From creatures that can regenerate their limbs to those that can survive in the vacuum of space, these animals are truly extraordinary. Prepare to be astounded by the wonders of nature as we reveal the remarkable abilities of these real-life superheroes. Our journey begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, home to a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a myth. This is the axolotl, a salamander with a remarkable secret. It can regenerate lost body parts. Imagine losing an arm, a leg, or even a part of your heart, only to have it grow back perfectly. That's the reality for the axolotl. Unlike humans, whose wounds heal with scar tissue, the axolotl's cells revert to a stem cell-like state, allowing them to rebuild the missing limb or organ from scratch. This remarkable ability extends to not only limbs but also to vital organs, including the heart, spinal cord, and even parts of the brain. The axolotl's regenerative prowess holds immense potential for medical advancements. By understanding the mechanisms behind this extraordinary ability, researchers hope to one day apply this knowledge to human medicine. But the axolotl's superpower comes at a cost. Their ability to regenerate makes them highly sought after, leading to overcollection and habitat loss. As a result, these fascinating creatures are now critically endangered in the wild. Our next stop takes us to the microscopic world, where we encounter an animal that's as indestructible as it is tiny. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, a creature so resilient it can survive conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. These microscopic marvels are found everywhere, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades enter a state of cryptobiosis, a kind of suspended animation where their metabolism slows to a near standstill. In this state, they can withstand being frozen solid, boiled alive, subjected to intense pressure, and even bombarded with radiation levels 1,000 times higher than what would kill a human. Their resilience is truly astounding, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible for life on Earth. The tardigrade's incredible survival skills have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. From the microscopic, we journey to the shallow tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, home to a creature that packs a punch that defies its size. This is the mantis shrimp, a crustacean with a weapon faster than a bullet. It strikes with incredible speed and force. Its punch creates a cavitation bubble, generating intense heat and sound. The force can shatter aquarium glass and crack shells. Their punches are among the fastest and most powerful. But their superpowers don't end there. They have complex eyes, seeing ultraviolet and polarized light. This gives them incredible depth perception. The mantis shrimp shows that nature can pack a powerful punch. Our next encounter takes us to the murky depths of the Amazon River, where we encounter a creature that can generate its own electricity. This is the electric eel, a master of electroreception and a living testament to the power of natural energy. The electric eel is not a true eel, but rather a type of knife fish, and it possesses specialized organs called electrocytes that run along its body. These electrocytes act like tiny batteries, and when stacked together, they can generate a powerful electric shock. The electric eel uses its electrifying abilities for a variety of purposes, from navigation to hunting. These shocks can reach up to 600 volts, more than 5 times the voltage of a standard US wall socket. Our journey now takes us to the coral reefs and coastal waters of the world, where we encounter a creature that's a master of disguise. This is the cuttlefish, a cephalopod mollusk with an uncanny ability to change its appearance in the blink of an eye. Beneath their skin lie thousands of specialized pigment sacs called chromatophores, each controlled by muscles that allow the cuttlefish to expand or contract the sacs, changing the color and pattern of their skin. This remarkable ability allows the cuttlefish to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether it's mimicking the texture of a rocky seabed or flashing bright colors to startle predators or attract mates. They can even communicate with each other through their skin patterns, sending secret messages that ripple across their bodies. The cuttlefish's combination of camouflage, intelligence, and agility makes it a formidable predator and a master of survival in the underwater world. They are a testament to the power of adaptation and a reminder that nature is full of surprises. Our next encounter takes us to the woodlands and grasslands of the world, where we meet a creature that's armed and dangerous in a most unusual way. This is the bombardier beetle, an insect that's mastered the art of chemical warfare. When threatened, the bombardier beetle doesn't just run and hide, it fights back with a fiery blast of chemicals. Inside its abdomen, the beetle has two separate chambers that produce and store hydroquinones and hydrogen peroxide. When combined, these chemicals undergo a violent reaction, generating intense heat and producing a noxious, boiling hot spray. The bombardier beetle's defense mechanism is so effective that it has even inspired the design of some non-lethal weapons. Our journey takes us to Eastern Australia, where we encounter a true enigma of the animal kingdom. The platypus, a semi-aquatic mammal, lays eggs, has a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a venomous spur on its hind legs. The male's spur is connected to a venom gland, causing excruciating pain and swelling in humans. They use electroreceptors in their bills to detect prey in murky waters. The platypus is a marvel of evolution, a living fossil that has survived for millions of years. Our next encounter takes us to the coral reefs and seagrass beds of the world, where we meet a creature that wields the power of sound as a weapon. This is the pistol shrimp, a small but mighty crustacean that can generate one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. The pistol shrimp's sonic weapon is its oversized claw, which it uses to create a cavitation bubble that generates an incredibly loud snapping sound. This snapping sound is not just for show, it's a powerful weapon that the shrimp uses to stun or kill its prey. When the pistol shrimp snaps its claw shut, it forces water out at such high speeds that it creates a cavitation bubble, a low-pressure void that collapses in on itself with tremendous force. This collapse generates a shock wave that can reach temperatures of 8,500 degrees Fahrenheit, and a sound that can reach over 200 decibels, louder than a gunshot. The pistol shrimp's ability to generate such intense sound and heat from a tiny claw has fascinated scientists and engineers alike. Our journey now takes us to the mangroves and freshwater streams of Southeast Asia and Australia, where we encounter a fish that's a master marksman. This is the archerfish, a fish that's known for its remarkable ability to shoot down insects and other small prey from above the water's surface. The archerfish's secret weapon is its specialized mouth, which it uses to shoot jets of water with incredible accuracy. The archerfish will stalk its prey from beneath the water's surface, carefully positioning itself for the perfect shot. When the time is right, the archerfish will rapidly compress its gill covers, forcing water out of its mouth in a powerful jet that can reach distances of up to 6 feet. The archerfish can adjust the power and trajectory of its water jet, ensuring a direct hit on its unsuspecting prey. The archerfish's remarkable hunting strategy is a testament to the power of adaptation and the ingenuity of nature. Our final encounter takes us on a journey to the depths of the ocean, where we meet a creature that seems to defy the very laws of aging. This is the immortal jellyfish, a tiny but extraordinary creature that holds the secret to biological immortality. The immortal jellyfish, also known as Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses a remarkable ability. It can revert to its juvenile polyp stage after reaching sexual maturity. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to essentially turn back the clock on its own life cycle, escaping death and starting anew. When faced with starvation, injury, or other forms of stress, the immortal jellyfish can transform its cells, reverting back to a ball of undifferentiated cells that attaches itself to a surface. From this polyp stage, it can then bud off new, genetically identical jellyfish, effectively creating clones of itself. Scientists are studying the immortal jellyfish's regenerative abilities to unlock the secrets of aging and cellular regeneration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. From the regenerative powers of the axolotl to the sonic blasts of the pistol shrimp, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. Which animal superpower amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. So keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being amazed by the incredible planet we call home.